Imagine a planet not unlike Earth, orbiting the nearest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri, just 4.24 light-years away. This planet, known as Proxima b, has long captured the imagination of astronomers and dreamers alike. But recent observations have transformed curiosity into a profound sense of wonder, and perhaps even apprehension. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye in the sky, turned its gaze toward Proxima b. What it recorded went far beyond conventional expectations. Instead of ordinary atmospheric readings, the telescope detected regular, repeating pulses of light, energy patterns that could not be explained by natural planetary behavior. They were deliberate, structured, and unlike anything produced by storms, volcanic activity, or stellar interference. But the surprises did not end there. Analysis revealed unexpected concentrations of chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, in the upper atmosphere. On Earth, these compounds are purely synthetic, a product of industrial activity. Their presence so far from our solar system hinted at technology, or at least intelligent manipulation of the environment. Global teams, from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory to observatories in Chile and Australia, scrambled to verify the findings. Repeated observations confirmed that the signals were patterned, mathematical, and coherent, containing harmonic sequences and slight frequency modulations reminiscent of encoded data. Could this be intentional? Could it be a form of communication from an intelligent civilization? Infrared imaging revealed further anomalies. Bright regions on the surface appeared and vanished at regular intervals, synchronized with the energy pulses detected in the atmosphere. These were unlike any natural geological features. Some researchers speculated they could be megastructures, perhaps energy collection systems or signal transmitters, designed to capture the star's power or communicate across interstellar distances. The precision suggested deliberate design, a planetary-scale engineering effort. The discovery sparked debate. Headlines speculated about alien life and potential first contact. Yet scientists remained cautious. Could natural phenomena mimic intelligence so convincingly? Perhaps, but the combination of CFCs, structured emissions, synchronized light patterns, and atmospheric consistency strongly pointed to something extraordinary. How could life, or a civilization, exist on a planet orbiting a red dwarf star, known for violent flares and intense radiation? Some proposed that Proxima b's magnetic field could be unusually strong, shielding the surface. Others suggested subterranean habitats, advanced protective technologies, or even that the civilization had migrated from another world. Interstellar migration implied technological capabilities far beyond our own. Some theories are more sobering. Could the CFCs represent a civilization in decline, or even one that has destroyed its own environment? Perhaps the signals are automated broadcasts from a long-extinct species, echoing across light years as a final warning or plea. Additional analysis of light from the planet revealed intermittent blackouts, periods where emitted light dropped to near zero before resuming. These eclipses did not match the planet's rotation or orbit, hinting at massive structures capable of blocking or modulating energy, conceptually similar to a partial Dyson sphere. Some scientists now consider that the signals may even be an invitation, a deliberate attempt to engage with another civilization. But who should respond? How could we trust intentions from a species or intelligence we cannot comprehend? Despite the risks, humanity's curiosity is ignited. Space agencies, academic institutions, and private groups are exploring ways to respond. Ideas include sending a probe or constructing micro-scale laser-propelled payloads that could reach Proxima b within decades, transmitting close-up data back to Earth. Meanwhile, the signals persist, patient, rhythmic, and deliberate. Whoever or whatever is sending them seems unconcerned with human time. Perhaps they exist in a state where centuries or millennia are brief, where time flows differently than for us. One thing has become undeniably clear: Earth is no longer alone. For the first time, humanity is looking across the void and seeing a distant world that may harbor intelligence. This is not a fleeting glimmer or a minor anomaly. It is a profound signal that another civilization may exist, advanced enough to manipulate its environment, harness energy on a planetary scale, and perhaps even communicate across the immense gulf of interstellar space. The implications are staggering. If Proxima b indeed hosts intelligence, it challenges the very foundations of our understanding of life. It forces us to reconsider not only the limits of biology and technology but the nature of consciousness itself. What forms could life take when freed from the constraints of Earth? Could they exist as post-biological entities, or hybrid beings of organic and synthetic intelligence? Could their perception of time, energy, or reality differ so radically from ours that our very concept of existence is only a shadow of their experience? The signals we have detected, patterns of light, energy pulses, and atmospheric anomalies, are deliberate and coordinated. They are not chaotic. They are not random. They hint at thought, intent, and design. Some pulses correspond to harmonic sequences and mathematical patterns, while others synchronize with the strange flickers of light across the planet's surface. Could these be cities, energy arrays, or communication devices? We do not yet know. But the precision is unmistakable. It speaks of engineering on a scale humanity can barely comprehend. And yet, as much as it inspires, it also humbles. For centuries we have imagined ourselves as observers, as solitary voyagers in an indifferent universe. Now, we are confronted with the possibility that the cosmos watches, responds, and perhaps even waits. The abyss we once looked into, believing it empty, now appears sentient in its own way, reflective, acknowledging our presence across the void. Every pulse, every light flicker, every chemical signature in Proxima b's atmosphere could be a message, a beacon, a warning, a greeting, or even a test. The scale of time and intelligence involved is mind-bending. If this civilization is billions of years older than ours, their understanding of physics, life, and existence could be incomprehensible. Their patience might dwarf human lifetimes. Their perception of risk, danger, and opportunity may be beyond our grasp. And yet, they have reached out, intentionally or not, and humanity now stands at the threshold of a cosmic dialogue. This is not simply a scientific discovery, it is a philosophical and cultural awakening. It forces us to confront questions that have lingered since the dawn of consciousness. What is life? What is intelligence? What does it mean to exist in a universe that may be aware of us? We must also ask ourselves, how will humanity respond? How do we communicate, cautiously yet boldly, with a civilization whose capabilities and intentions are unknown? The story of Proxima b is far from over. Its signals continue, persistent and measured, as if awaiting our observation and understanding. Each pulse is a reminder that we are part of something larger than ourselves, a narrative spanning light years, civilizations, and epochs. Humanity is no longer an isolated observer but a participant in a dialogue with the cosmos, even if we cannot yet understand the language fully. And so, this is only the beginning. Our journey into the unknown has entered a new chapter. Proxima b may redefine humanity's place in the universe, not as the lone wanderers we once believed ourselves to be, but as members of a vast, intricate, and potentially intelligent cosmic community. Every telescope we train, every probe we send, every calculation we make is a step deeper into this unfolding story. The cosmos, once silent and indifferent, now hums with potential and possibility. Humanity has peered into the abyss, and for the first time, the abyss seems to peer back. What we are witnessing on Proxima b is not merely a planet or an anomaly. It is an invitation to reconsider life, intelligence, and the very meaning of existence itself. From the faint flickers of light on a distant surface to the structured, encoded whispers traveling across interstellar space, we are being called to expand our understanding and imagination. The universe, it seems, is far more alive, more intricate, and more mysterious than we ever imagined. And in the midst of this revelation, one truth emerges. We are at the dawn of a new era. An era where humanity steps into a broader cosmic stage, where the boundaries of life, civilization, and communication extend far beyond our solar system. The story of Proxima b has only begun, and our role in it may define the next epoch of human exploration, discovery, and understanding. Humanity is listening. Humanity is watching. And in the quiet pulse of a distant world, the cosmos may be responding. The next steps we take, cautiously or boldly, will determine not just our future, but our place in the grand narrative of the universe itself. The journey into the unknown has begun, and nothing will ever be the same.